So here is the full koala living room set. This is how I tend to set up the living room for display, but obviously it's up to you or your child how you want to set it up. As far as putting everything away, I like to close the box first and hold it closed with one hand while I put items in to ensure everything fits without getting squished. Sofa always goes first, then the coffee table and bookshelf. Everything else is pretty small and generally flat, and I save the houseplant for last. The handle should be able to be used without the lid opening, but if you want to ensure it doesn't open while carrying it, I'd recommend putting a small piece of Velcro under the lip of the lid and on the front of the box. Thank you again so much for checking out Cozy Condo Creations.